Today is January 25th, 2020, and my Kalashnikov sub automatic knife is in. Alright. Let's see if we can. It came unsealed. I got 2 extra springs for it. And may have to put the phone down for this. I think I do. Or maybe I can open this. Ready? Oh, nice. I like it. It's cute. Decent blade. I like this better than the mini that I still have. I have a tanto blade mini. Yeah. All right. This is the belt clip. Here, hang on. We'll get some light on the subject. It's very dim in here, and I apologize. Here, we'll do this. Hang on. So there's the D2 blade, which is the hard tool steel. And there is the Boker name. There's the knife. Oh, let's get a little close up of that. Not sure I know what that says. This is probably the 886th one. Under 1,000 pieces. All right, this is just a follow-up. This is my first day, full day with the Boker Kalashnikov sub, and wow. I really dig this knife. I really do. I love my ProTech, but this is a great little knife for cheap money. The blade is magnificent. I've used it for, I don't know, cutting 4 or 5 things today. And it looks, I mean, you can tell the edge is like the day I got it, which was yesterday. But it's really, really astounding. I used it like a tool today. I didn't baby it or anything. I cut some super glue off of something. I cut a string, a couple of strings off of several things. I fixed a finish a little bit, cut some finish off of a guitar with this. What else did I do? I did like four or 5 things with it. I got some super glue off my thumb with it, and nothing hard, nothing put to the test yet, like serious test, but useful up the wazoo. Just, it's there, it's great in the pocket, it's extra deep, pocket clip. And it's got a great snap to it, and the D2 steel seems amazing, absolutely amazing to me. Maybe even better than the M4 for my purposes. Digging it, really digging it, folks. Under $50. D2 steel. Blade Ops is where I got it, .com. And the button action is the same as my ProTech. It feels the same as my ProTech. The snap is almost as perfect as the ProTech. Damn good. It doesn't feel like a cheap knife in any way. It's got some good weight to it. It's It's called a stubby on the box. I'm digging it. All right, now I've been gushing over this thing for 2 days, and I apologize. If you don't like it, I understand. If you like it, I highly recommend getting one. All right, thanks for watching.